So clamps even actually go there or something.
But why didn't? And for good, for no reason.
Sense me.
Who said that?
I am gaisorg, and I will take over the... What? Did you say clamps?
Yes, it is, but... You're not takeover the world, and you're freaking genuous, you idiot.
No, and I will going to fight and beating up.
Are you going to be so much attack? Get out or not? Clamps, Joey, shoot them. You right, donbot.
That's it. You as for it. What the? No, it can't be.
That's why you have been clamped.
This is good reason at all. But, go ahead. Seriously, I'm so out of here. Interesting.
It your business, being clamps.
Calm down, clamps. They gone, right? All right, even disappear, but something ain't right.
The clamps! Right?